Sanbonani and welcome back for yet another hot review of our favorite show, Uthando Nesthembu Season 8, Episode 20. Sana, in this episode, begu light, begu right, the vibes were certainly better than the last 3 or 4 episodes. Kule episode ke sibonile ku celebrate umthombeni, but ububona nje ukuthi khona abantu ngempela ababengekho happy. Uma yena nje kuqala nje umbona nje ukuthi nje ugele ubecuphe nje ozokhuluma nje ombhedo kuyena uma Khumalo-ke ubombona nje ukuthi she's not happy about something. Uma Ngwabe-ke yena-ke nje as always uhleli enjeyana. The only wife who was happy was uMacele. She was living for the moment. Ngimthandile nje vibe yakhe engena nje ubona ukuthi okay nje birthday kababakhe bakithi, let's celebrate babakhe. Even the kids nje were happy, bebe prepared abonge. I loved the speech njena. Hayi cha bakithi kungihlekisile ukuthi uma Ngwabe uyena be-organize but ufike late ukudlula wonke umuntu. Shame nale ngubo beyigqokile bingababazisi to the point where you can understand ukuthi hayike behambile uyithatha nje it took long ukuthi ithelerishe ingubo yakhe. Hayibo, it was just a plain dress, there was nothing special about it, but ke sothini-ke sizoyithatha lento asinika yona. The only person obengasebenzisa leyo excuse and ngiyithathe ngiyi-understand is uMakhumalo, because ingubo yakhe was just stunning as always. At this point nje I expect nothing but the best from uMakhumalo, because every time nje uhlezi nje sethe leso standard sokuthi nje uzogqoka kahle. And then ke mhlawumbe-ke bekunzima ukuthi ba-pretend guys, but definitely beku-cringe ukubabona nje ukuthi abajabulile, ukubabona befika late, yabona nje, because it shows ukuthi abayiseki indoda yabo, abawuhloniphi nomcimbi, noma mhlawumbe futhi abanendaba ukuthi umyeni wabo is turning 50. And-ke what is unfortunate ukuthi bapenda isithombe sokuthi unkosikazi okuyena yedwa oseka uMseleku is uMacele, and-ke bengathuki-ke ekugcineni mase kuthiwa vele nina beningamhloniphi, ekubeni mhlawumbe thola ukuthi bebemhlonipha all this time ukuthi manje nje because of the things that are happening, kodwa-ke sekuthiwa nje nina nikaze nje nimhloniphe because babona lezi zinto abazenzayo manje. And kothiwa yes uMacele uyena nje besimbona nje mayayiseka nje indoda yakhe ihlonipha, ke bese kungekho mnandi futhi mase bekhuluma kanjalo abantu. But I think it's important as nje unkosikazi ngisho noma ngabe kunzima kanjani, they should have pretended njena befike early, pretend to be happy, and then after komcimbi-ke go back to being unhappy. Hayi ke le yamabhubesi kangeke ngiyikhulume-ke because it's out of my range. Ubabakhe nje uyamazi uMpumelelo uthi unjani, uyayazi ingane yakhe. All I can say nje mina is uMpumelelo ave uSomathuba bakithi, ave uSomathuba unesidina at this point But guess sana, it would have been nice to see uSne ekhulumela ingane zakhe uMseleku as the eldest. But then I remembered ukuthi begqokeni, and no, that grey tights and that blazer, no guys, no, they did her wrong. At least-ke bamtshele bemthiphisa ukuthi okay, this is the theme that we are going for, yabo nje. She was just not dressed appropriately for the event, so nje at the end it worked out good ukuthi angakhulumi. I thought it was interesting that uMseleku ube criticize amakhosikazi akhe for coming late and criticizing umayeni ukuthi akafikanga nabantu abadala bakubo, even though some of her relatives were there. At this point, I feel like he should be grateful they came, ngoba ngale ndlela izinto ezenzeka ngakhona, anything can happen. Amakhosikazi akhe asabambe amagqubu after Thanksgiving, so they don't feel obligated ukumhlonipha umyeni wabo kulo mcimbi, since naye akabahloniphanga kwi-Thanksgiving. Mhlampe deep down guys bebetshela ukuthi unumber 5 uzobe khona, even though phela for us bekuzoba mnandi kakhulu just seeing ubuso babo nje sebembona ingena nomndeni wakhe, noma bemfice nje vele uhleli etafuleni nomndeni wakhe unethezekile ugirl. That would have been so nice guys. But ke sothini-ke ngoba manje uvele wabhura nje umcimbi because of i-attitude yabo guys. It would have been so much better if bebejabulile bonke, be-happy bonke, befike early, yabona nje. But-ke nje mina my favorite part nje kule episode was a moment kaMnini speech sakhe, that was like touching. And then that moment when Omnini was speaking to ubaba wakhe bekhuluma nje kwi-diary, that was just touching, guys. Nje I love how uMseleku can be gentle ney'ngane zakhe, especially lezi ey'ncane. Hi guys, that is all I have for episode 20. I cannot wait for episode 21 because ngathi izoba a bit more interesting than this one. But Kesana, I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please be sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so that our community can continue to grow. As always, thank you so much for the love and support. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.